Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Halloween. So today we'll be demonstrating how to face paint. I'll be doing my own face, of course. I'll be doing Pennywise on my face, but it's going to need only 3 colors. That's white, red, and black. Right? So you can also use black makeup here, but since I have wait, kitty. So it's complete. I have white, red, and black in this palette, and this was bought at Metro. So I'll be using this for the Pennywise face paint. And Kitty, what do you want on your face? Zombie or cat? Zombie. Okay, how about you, Anon? You don't know? Okay, so let's figure that out later on. Choose a color, Zenon, and make your own face paint because I need to focus on my face, okay? So try to get your phone and look for a design. Go ahead now, go.
Where's my head?
So I'm comfortable using my fingers because okay, what color do you want?
This.
I need red and I need black. You can keep the white and the yellow. Alright, so I'll use this, Kitty. Okay, you hold it first. I'll borrow that later on, okay? So first thing to do is use the color white for Pennywise. You need a very white face. I hope this palette will be enough. So I was just informed days ago that I'll be Hey, Kitty. Shh. So I was just told days ago that I was going to be doing this. Look at Mama. I'll be Pennywise, Kitty. So when I was informed, I right away went to YouTube, of course, because I'm not really good with face painting. That's why I watch tutorials. What's happening to Mama's face, Kitty?
Mama hair.
Mama. So Kitty does not really cannot pronounce all the words yet. His zombie is he. All right.
No.
So I think this is 39 pesos, and the crayon type, this is still face paint, but it's in a crayon form. So let me finish my face first. Oh, you broke it! Why did you break it, Kitty? Wait, Kitty, let me finish my face. Look, I'm gonna be Pennywise. So for my vlogs, I usually make sure my sons are not around because they create a lot of noise. But for this day, since it's Halloween anyway, I invited them to join me. So they have not made anything on their faces yet. Zenon is figuring out what he will be making. But yeah, so I'm already having a really white face right now. So some of the people actually cover their eyebrows with glue stick, but I don't have time for that right now. I only have 15 minutes. So you can cover your eyebrows with glue stick and then cover it with powder before you put on the face paint. Alright, so I'm just applying it like BB cream, no? I'm so white right now. Alright. Okay. Okay, don't break it, Kitty, ha? Okay, I think this is already enough. Am I white enough, Enon?
Abot na pagyapon.
Is it good? Okay. So I already have a very white face. My kids are laughing at me already. The next thing you need to get is the red. Can I borrow the red? Where's the red crayon? Alright. So, this red crayon is actually a body painting. This is a chroma colorful body painting. So, this is 59 pesos only. Let me borrow it first. Kitty, look ha. I will make Pennywise. So, what I saw from the videos is that you make this line here until... But you need to darken it, of course. You need to make sure you have these lines here. So it's not that clear. You can actually use dark lipstick. It's not that clear. I'll use this other one. I think this is better. So it has also a brush. Okay, so I hope this is thicker. It is thicker. I did not really practice this, guys. I just tried to memorize how the lady made it on her face. I think my lines are too thick because the brush is thick as well, but you can actually make it thinner. And then you need to use the same color on your nose and your mouth as well. So this one. Of course, you need to look like a clown. Scary one. Okay, and then your nose. It doesn't really have to be perfect. Just make sure the tip of your nose is also covered in red. Alright, so I'm almost done. I just need black. There, it needs to be pointed. Okay, I'm almost done. So I need the black one on my eyelid. I hope it looks good. My goodness. Alright, and you also need a black line here underneath your eyes. I want it thicker. And yeah, since I have eyebrows on, I was not able to cover it with glue stick. The Pennywise actually has a different eyebrow, so it goes like this. That's how I saw it in the tutorial. I should have covered it with glue stick, right? But yeah. Alright, and that is it. I look weird. But that is the concept of Pennywise face paint. You just need to make sure you have black, red, and white. So that you would look like a clown. A scary one. Do I look scary? I don't think so. I look like McDonald's. Alright, so that is it. I look so funny. Anyway, so yeah, I look like a clown, but I'm not really 100% similar with Pennywise, but this is the concept of how to make a Pennywise face paint. So sorry if the kids left me. They're a bit noisy, guys, so it might distract everyone. So here's how a Pennywise face paint would look like. You only need 3 colors: red, black, and white. So I hope you were able to catch up and you enjoyed today's face painting session. Once again, my name is Margrette, and guys, you can follow me on YouTube as well. Thank you so much, Wipro, for inviting me to have a demo for the Halloween trick or treat. I hope you guys enjoy your Halloween and stay safe and keep yourselves protected. Bye, lovies! See you next time!